Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do some forward fold, simple stretches and how to go into revolving Janu Sirsasana. First we will do shoulder stretches. For that, take your right hand up, inhale, bend it from the left hand, hold the elbow and give it a mild stretch. Keep on breathing. Release the pose. Hands down. Take the left hand up. Bend it from the right hand. Hold the elbow of the left hand and give it a stretch. Inhale and exhale should not stop. Slowly raise your hands. Exhale and hands down. From here, let's do the Garudasana Mudra. For that, take your right hand up, left hand down and twist the hands together. Palms will come close. If not in Namaskar Mudra, wherever you can, just hold it there. Take a deep inhale up. Make your upper body up. Inhale and slowly exhale, and from your elbows, press your chest. Again, inhale up, exhale down. Slowly release and change your hands. Now the left hand comes up, right hand goes down. Twist and join the palms together. Again, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Slowly release your hands. Now we will bring our hands to Gomukh Asana Mudra. For that, take your right hand up, bend it, twist your left hand back side and try to grab your fingers. For the beginners who are not able to hold it like this, they can use a belt or any kind of scarf. Please mind that your hand should be near your ear and your head should not tilt. Take 3 deep breaths here. Change the hand. Now the left hand goes up and the right hand goes down. For the beginners who are not able to take it back, can take their right hand back and with the left hand, give it a mild push and place your hand up. Then take your left hand up and grab your fingers. Stay calm and breathe. Inhale and exhale. Slowly release the posture. Now we will work on opening our hip area and the hamstrings. For that, let's come in a Mal Asana Mudra. If you are not able to sit with the heels near, you can take them a bit apart. Sit wherever it feels comfortable to you. Join your palms and sit in a Mal Asana Mudra. Feel the opening and breathe. Slowly take both the hands down, palms on the mat, and from here, with the inhale, raise your hip bone up and open your legs. It's a forward fold stretch for the beginners. Slowly come down, exhale again to Mala Asana Mudra. Inhale up, exhale down. Beginners who are not able to open the legs fully, they can stay in a 90-degree and keep breathing. Slowly come down. From here, let's move to Skandasana. Place the feet apart. You can count it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend your left leg and come down. Beginners can keep the hands down. From here, slowly switch to the right side. If you are able to release your hands, you can hold it like this and then go. Move. 1 and 2. When you come to the left side, slowly place your hips down. Fold your leg. Your left leg, knee should be straight and your feet should be near your inner thigh. Now your right leg is extended. We will try to do Janu Sirsasana to the right side. For that, place your right hand on the left knee and just swing 3 times down so that your body understands the movement. 1, 2 and 3. Now slowly bring your left hand up. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Slowly go. Exhale, exhale, exhale and hold your feet. Stay there. Slowly come back up, down. Now to the revolving posture. Be there. Again, left hand up, twist, hold your feet, nicely grab the feet, push yourself a bit forward and roll your shoulder back. Now you are in the full posture of revolving Janu Sirsasana. Slowly release both hands to the right side as a forward fold. Inhale, hands up, twist your body front. Exhale, down in the front. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Same thing we will do left side. Right leg folded forward, left leg extended. Same. Left hand on the right knee, give it a 3 times swing. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, right hand up. Exhale, hold your feet and stay there. 1, 2, 3. Slowly release. Now to the full posture. Again, hands up. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Lengthen yourself, lengthen your spine. Slowly go down. Hold your feet and put the body forward. Push it and roll. Roll your shoulder, your body towards the sky. Slowly release both hands to the left leg. Forward fold. Inhale, raise up. Twist. Exhale in the front. Inhale up. Exhale down. Come to any posture, any comfortable sitting posture. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Try to breathe. Feel comfortable. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Hari Om.